What's up, guys? I've been wanting to do a video on my birds for such a long time now that I finally got the opportunity to go ahead and do that, and I'm just gonna get started right now. What you doing, birdies? Oh, you a kitty. You a little kitty, yeah, aren't you? Yeah. You want to play? I know. Yeah, you want to play? Yeah. Oh, oh. Now up here, I'm going to show you my bird out of all these. And he's right here. It's the coolest bird there is in the world. Right here. Oh. Oh. What? Oh. What's up, birdie? Give me a kiss. Good birdie. Good birdie. So I just left a little food up here for him. I mean, he's been hanging out here for years. And you can see this board has been chewed on. There's poop all over it. I gotta get this clean. And he likes to chew on boxes. See that hole? He's making himself a little fort. Ain't that cool? What's your little fort up there, birdie? Where's your little fort? I see it. I see it. What are you gonna do up there, buddy? Huh? Come on. Key? Yeah. Where you going? Don't be afraid. He's probably afraid because I have the light on. Oh, what you doing? Oh, that was a big yawn, Bubba. That was a big yawn. Yeah. Watch. Watch. Oh, ow. Oh. Let's see what these birds are doing in here. Should we go in here with the... I don't want them to freak out. So they'll like freak out. They like attention. They like attention, birdie. I'm gonna put my nose in front of his beak like this, and he'll peck at my nose. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, I don't want to scare him. I don't want to scare him. They make a lot of dust. Let's get this. Okay, buddy. Hey, it's okay. Come on. Come out front. It's Snowflake. What you doing? I mean, oh, Snowflake. What you doing there, Snowflakes? Hiding? Trying to. Oh. Tries to bite everything. What you doing there? Alright, let's go take a look over here. What you guys doing back there? Yeah, he's hiding. Gotcha. Gotcha. It's okay, don't be scared. What's up, birdie? What you doing, birdie? Where you going? Where you going? Come on. It's okay, birdie. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. That's good. He wants to show off his climbing skills. Go ahead, birdie. You climb. It's okay. Where you going? Where you going, birdie? Oh, yeah? He's the only one that we let out because he's the coolest bird. And he usually stays up here on this ledge, or he'll fly, go on the shower bar or something like that. But, we make sure we clean in it and stuff like that. You can see the cage is pretty much clean down there. So our hose is shut down, so we got paper and everything in there. Take good care of these birds. They got food. Just got them a new cup right there. What you doing, birdie? Go on my finger? Ow. Oh! Don't do that, birdie. Come on, you go on my finger. There you go. Good birdie. See? He's cool. Oh, birdie. There you go, buddy. Oh, there you go, buddy. Is that better, Birdie? No light. The light's too bright. I know. What you doing? You do birdies. You do birdies. What you up, Birdie? What you doing, Birdie? Huh? Do the chicken dance. Come on. Do the chicken dance. See? He does it. Oh. Alright, I'm going to leave you guys alone now. Got one more little birdie to show you. And he's really like afraid of things. This is a big cage. If I step back, you can see it's really big. It's cost a lot of money. But I just threw that 3/4 inch board on top. Kind of made a shelf out of it, and we'll definitely let him out. Take good care of these birds. We had these birds for a long time. Go birdie, go birdie. A long time. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. 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 Peace. We'll see you in a little bit, Birdie. Bye.